Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EverWebinar. Now, more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add the offer into your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an offer into your webinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, that's the whole point of the webinar, is to talk the buyer through it and then go ahead and make an offer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my webinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an offer into one of your webinars, here on the left side, click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. You can see I have these two. And to add the offer into the webinar, go ahead and click on the edit button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these blue dots here at the top. And to set up the offer in your webinar, you're going to go here to live. Looks like a little TV. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these options, but you want to look for this one, live content, and click on the pencil icon. All right, once you do that, here is the box. So this is where we can go ahead and add our offer. So you want to click on add event. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down and you want to click on product offer. Okay, so here we can go ahead and name the offer. So get 5 tacos for price of 3. Okay, and then here is going to be the headline. This is what your viewers are going to see. I'm just going to use the same as the name of my offer. I'm going to upload an image. Okay, I grabbed an image. It's uploading. Okay, so this is what the viewer is going to see, this picture of these tacos. And then here is the text. Get them. They are spicy. Okay, so this is exactly what they're going to see. Text inside the button. Give me my tacos now. Okay, so here is the order link. So this is going to be your shopping cart. So whatever service you use, if you use Samcart, you're going to put the checkout button right here, the checkout link. And here we're going to go ahead and start the offer. So if you have a 20-minute video, maybe you want to put the offer in at 8 minutes and make it available. So the video that I have for this is a really short video. So let me go ahead and just do 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So as these folks are watching my live webinar, at the 2-minute mark, this offer is going to pop up. They can get 5 tacos for the price of 3. And then when they click on this button, they're going to go to this link right here. So I would have my Samcart or my Stand Store checkout button right here. Okay, just put in that general link there. And then at the end offer section, when do you want this offer to end? So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put this at 3 minutes. So usually towards the end of your webinar, you're going to keep talking and the offer is going to be available. And then you want to end this, especially if you're going to do for the next 10 minutes, you can go ahead and get this offer. Make sure that you line up the correct timestamp in the video. Now this right here, you can add a countdown. So generally I'm going to do that, but here you can go ahead and add the countdown. So let's just say in 2 minutes, the offer is going to be taken down. So it's going to start counting down. All right. So there is our offer for our webinar, and you're not done until you click on save. All right. Once you click on save, you can see we've added our offer that's going to start at the 2-minute mark and it's going to end at the 3-minute mark. And this video is 3 minutes, as you can see. So at the 3-minute, it's going to go for 8 seconds. So that's not ideal. I just put in a quick 3-minute video just to have this video. And once you're done, go ahead and click on save up here on the top right. Before you do that, if you want to add another offer, and you can go ahead and add one here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your offer into your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.